Hey, good morning. I hope everybody is doing super good. Well, वैसे तो हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, but you know there are certain things which always hold us back. Now these are the quick tips जिसके लिए आपको किसी की approval की जरूरत नहीं होता है, situation की जरूरत नहीं होता है. This is self-amended things which we can do it. One is stop procrastinating. Somewhere or the other you need to start. Small step matters. अगर आप चाहते हो कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ कर लो. That will actually help you in the long run. Secondly, stop overthinking. That will not take us to anywhere or even solve the problem in that matter of fact. अगर आप overthink कर रहे हो, if you have this habit, then make sure that you quickly get up from that place, change the way you are sitting, go and probably talk to somebody else, and you'll see that you can come out of that quicksand, and then you can start over and focus on your main thing. Number 3, self-doubting nature. डाउट होता है, आई विल से कि डाउट नहीं होता है, सबको होता है, मुझे भी होता है, आपको भी होता होगा. दैट्स वेरी नेचुरल थिंग, बट दैट टेकिंग ओवर यू इज समथिंग विच इज नॉट राइट. कोई सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस से पैदा नहीं होता है. इट इज अ स्किल विच वी नीड टू डेवलप विद टाइम. द मोर यू विल स्टेप इन टू द fear, the more you will be confident about things. It doesn't mean that you will not do something wrong or you'll fail, you'll not fail. Of course, those are very very important things. You have to accept the fact कि कभी लाइफ में आप कुछ गलत भी कर सकते हो, and how you rectify yourself, how you stand up with yourself, and how you rework yourself, that matters. Thirdly, the most important thing which actually help you in everything, have self-confidence. Please make sure that wherever you are going, always wear the sleeve that okay, I can do it, let me see how can I do it. This mentality is very important. I hope this video helped, guys. Thank you.